Hello everybody, this is Vlad Dan. In this video we are going to see a better way to fix the green shader issue in Maya when working with reference scene. So this is the rig scene which has as reference our model, and everything here looks great. But if we go to modeling scene and open it up, and let's say we duplicate our original material and assign that duplication. Okay, and just rename it new, and we go to edit and delete unused nodes. After that, if we save our scenes and go and open the rig scene this time, our material will be green. So, as you can see, I have written a blog post a few years ago about this method. The issue was it was a manual process. So you had to go to Node Editor and make a specific connection. I will put the link from this blog post in the description. So I have written a Python script for to automate the whole process. So the script works like this, with two options. You can select, since I have two objects, I can select one of them and click the fix select object. As you can see, everything is okay now, and I can do the same with the second object, and that was it. So if I go a few steps back and this time click the second option, Maya will fix both objects and make the right connection to the shaded groups. That was one example. So let's say another one. Let's load this scene. Okay, in this scene, as you can see, I have multiple materials for each object. So every object has one material assigned to it. So this is the rig scene. So let's first see the model scene in order to have a better understanding. So every object has its own materials, as I said previously, and let's now load the rig scene and fix the green shader issue. So open up the rig scene, and same as before, we can select one object at a time and hit the fix select object, or we can hit the second option, and everything is working great now. And let's see another example. So this time I have another model scene which have shared materials. This time every object hasn't its own materials. Let's just open it. In this scene I have the exactly same geometry, but this time I have only two materials, right? Let's close that scene and just delete the sphere model scene and just rename this one. So Maya will automatically refer that scene to our rig scene. As you can see, I have those two materials, but shaders is not correct. So again, you can either select one object and hit the first button, or you can select the second option and Maya will fix all shader at once. as you can understand, the Python script method is much faster than manually do all the work by yourself. Thank you for watching.